Social media, online communities, and the sheer amount of time we spend on screens have a profound impact on our sense of self. Let's learn to navigate the digital world in a way that supports your confidence, not undermines it. The confidence illusion, curated highlight reels. Remember everyone's struggles when you only see people's best life. It traps your perception of reality. Likes don't equal worth. Tying your value to likes share breeds anxiety. Your worth is inherent regardless of your followers. The spotlight effect. You think everyone scrutinizes your post way more than they actually do. Most are focused on themselves. Social media as a tool, not a master. Intentional usage. Do you mindlessly scroll or use it for connection, learning, inspiration? The why matters the most. Time limits. You have to set app timers, distraction-free periods, and no phone in the bedroom rules to reclaim your attention. Follow with discernment. Unfollow accounts that consistently make you feel less than or spark obsessive comparison. The dark side of comparison. Algorithms amplify it. The more you engage with the type of content, the more the algorithm serves it up. Just break this cycle. Ideal selves. We compare our messy reality to someone's filtered post-online persona, a recipe for inadequacy. Know your triggers. Does body-focused content get you down? Travel FOMO? Identifying them is the first step to minimizing their impact on you. Cultivating confident digital habits. Reality check reminders. Create phone backgrounds with confidence-affirming codes or "Is this how I want to spend my time?" prompts. Diversify your feed. Inspiring artists, activists, humor accounts, not just those who seem to have the perfect life. Share the real you, but selectively. Showing vulnerability judiciously deepens connection and reminds others they're not alone. Cyberbullying and healthy boundaries. Sadly, online cruelty exists. You have to know how to protect your confidence. It's never about you. Bullies are simply hurt people projecting their own pain onto others. Don't personalize it though, that's easier said than done. Block and report. Don't engage. Stop them of the reaction they crave. Platforms have reporting mechanisms, just use them. Support systems. If it's affecting your mental health, tell a trusted adult, friend, or seek professional help when you think it's required.